Unboxing my new microphone for vlogging. I got this as a gift. This is my first time to have a microphone and I'm excited. My friends know I vlog a lot. I even got a new tripod, selfie stick and a new portable phone charger for vlogging. Yeah! My friends know exactly what I want and what I need. The microphone consists of two parts, the microphone receiver and the microphone transmitter. This is the microphone receiver which is connected to the phone. And this is the microphone transmitter. It comes with a clip.
Nice.
The microphone transmitter is chargeable, so no worries of buying batteries. The charger cord can be used in any charger. You can even plug it directly to an outlet or to a portable charger. It's easy to use.
Switch.
First, you turn on the switch button on the microphone transmitter. It's located on the button part of the microphone transmitter. The light will turn on. Now I'm ready.